Hi, today I want to share with you my own experience of using the best landing page builder service. I've tried a huge number of tools in this category and I found the best one that worked for me for 100%. I make over $90,000 a year with it and I've been using it for over 3 years. It allows business owners to create optimized shopping carts and checkout processes that help increase conversions, sales, and revenue. In this short video, I'm going to tell you 5 very useful secrets that only few people know about, but that really make it the best in the best landing page builders category. Now, look at the screen. I'll show you everything in detail.
Simply put, PayKickStart is a fully automated and customizable cart manager to help you with your online business. It comes with several features, including conversion-focused features that will help you increase your income and sales. This management system also comes with analytics and developer tools. With PayKickStart, you certainly don't need third-party tax operators, as services such as VAT and sales tax collection are already integrated into the management system. From the very beginning, the platform offers you a training video. This video is intended to welcome new users on board and help them master the program. If you are not new or new to using shopping cart software, then you will have a good time with it. This feature is easy to obtain because it is already integrated into the shopping cart setup process. Models are some of the most common systems, however, there are other models you can choose from. For example, PayKickStart lets you create trial and installment plans. While all of these is cool, the main reason many people like the pricing models offered by this system is that you don't have to pay any transaction fees. With this in mind, you are going to keep all your profits. The affiliate system is one of the easiest to set up we've ever viewed. If you check the setup wizard, you will find that there is a suite of analytics tools, marketing tools, and affiliate program management tools. Therefore, if you are a marketing partner, it will be very easy for you to set up a campaign and promote your digital products. By using templates, you avoid the trap of a generic website that might even scare customers away. PayKickStart provides you with over 30 templates to use, and they all have different designs to choose from. This way, you can define exactly how the shopping cart should look like. However, we must admit that while they are diverse, they are by no means the most creative options we have come across. Apart from this minor flaw, there are almost no defeated patterns here. As far as we know, there are no checkout management systems that give you the weird designs you might need. The PayKickStart help system has a lot of thoughts, and you can get a lot of helpful tips and training to help you get the most out of your shopping cart system. In the first plan, which costs $29, you can sell up to 5 products and have full access to the template library. You also have all the integrations available on the platform. The next plan available is the professional plan. It's almost 4 times as expensive and will cost $99 per month. This more expensive plan gives you unlimited products to sell, an affiliate center, and the ability to set up multiple account users. The latest and most expensive plan costs $149 per month. Since this is the most expensive plan, it offers you all the benefits of the above 2 plans and more. You get analytics, audience builder, monitoring, and more. Instapage is designed for small business owners and individual users who are just getting started. Here, users will be able to understand how easy it is to create quality landing pages. Whether you want to optimize your page for search engines, A/B test your pages, or collect user data through registration forms, you can do it all in Instapage. Another point you might want to look out for when checking the available Instapage features are the customizable templates that are available for viewing. Any great landing page builder gives you many ways to create effective landing pages for your WordPress or Drupal site. If split testing Instapage offers and access to Google Analytics aren't enough to impress you, then custom templates are sure to do the trick. Like many landing page builders, Instapage's ability to offer customizable templates means it will be much easier for you to use when it comes to developing your marketing automation efforts from scratch. There are over 200 templates available, and they plug into the drag and drop builder. Some of these visual builders on the market just stink, but Instapage has the ability to drag and drop certain elements, change colors, add images, and customize the look and feel of your brand. The entire Instapage experience is intuitive and immersive. Whether you are working with widgets to enhance your client's user experience or creating an immersive WordPress design, Instapage will help you. It also has unique features and functions such as a collaborative workspace where multiple members of your team can work at once and check, edit, or comment on landing pages and campaigns before publishing. From marketing tools to analytics and CRM systems, email marketing tools, live chat, webinars, and just about anything, Instapage Builder lets you embed an infinite number of elements into your page. With its built-in drag-and-drop functionality, Instablocks allows you to copy and paste parts of your web page using an immersive drag-and-drop editor. You can make small changes to your pages from one medium to the next, but you can also recreate the style and design of your previous landing pages when creating a new campaign or mobile version. Instablock's intuitive features work with your Drupal and WordPress projects to help you maintain consistent conversion rates without relying on the Instapage support team. You don't even need to spend a lot of time rewriting CTAs, widgets, and sign-up forms because everything is pre-designed for you. Instablocks, one of the best Instapage features available today, will change the way you use Instapage and also change the experience of your team members. Instapage recently added global blocks to the list of available Instapage functions. This means that you can use the drag and drop editor to create a custom block and insert it into all subdomains and landing pages after a click in one go. ClickFunnels has established itself from the beginning, becoming one of the largest software-as-a-service marketing companies. I suppose it's no surprise that people love ClickFunnels because it's all about making money for users. Specifically, it's about providing businesses with software that will help them convert website visitors into customers. It's no wonder ClickFunnels has grown so much in such a short period of time. Whether you decide to use it or not, it is an important player that any e-commerce and internet marketing professional should be familiar with. One of the best things about ClickFunnels is that it focuses on making money for the user. It's very easy with them to create an account, post content, and start accepting payments. It's also pretty straightforward to find everything. It may take you a couple of hours to figure out most of what you need, maximum. There are many useful functions here. Allow how easy it is to duplicate pages, and the fact that I can save templates to use later. Their page builder is quite an important feature, and they did a good job with this. Once you get used to it, it's an easy-to-use drag and drop builder. You will also find a handy WordPress plugin that allows you to add ClickFunnels pages to your WordPress site. It saves a lot of time and is much easier than working between ClickFunnels and WordPress without a plugin. ClickFunnels WordPress plugin also has a solid 4.4 stars in the WordPress plugin repository with over 20,000 active installations. Overall, it's great to have decentralization. I can create my landing pages, create forms and order forms, and send emails, all from one platform. All of these really saves you time and money, resources that you would otherwise have to spend on developers, CSS, hosting configurations, and so on. ClickFunnels offers two pricing plans: their standard ClickFunnels plan and their ClickFunnels Platinum plan. Even their standard plan starts from the more expensive side. ClickFunnels costs $97 per month and Platinum costs $297 per month. However, you also get a 14-day free trial to try out the service, so at least you don't have to upgrade to an expensive plan right away. If you pay annually instead of monthly, you get 2 months for free. However, both plans have unlimited contacts, unlimited members, all advanced funnels, A, B split tests, and a few other things in common. Platinum has a full list of features including the following: one-time payments, subscription plans, 3 SMTP integrations, unlimited funnels, pages, visits, and custom domains, priority support and request templates, as well as follow-up funnels and backpack. If you are duplicating a page and making changes to the copy, a split test basically lets you choose what percentage of your traffic you want to see on the page, which makes it very convenient to test your conversion rates. This is a great feature and very easy to use. I also think ClickFunnels is generally flexible and straightforward for other customizations like your account details or integrations. Perhaps very tech-savvy people would find them limiting,